The 2026 Volkswagen T-Cross, though yet to be officially announced, is expected to build upon the recent updates introduced in the 2025 model. The T-Cross remains a prominent contender in the compact SUV segment, offering a blend of practicality, advanced safety features, and modern styling. Volkswagen has refined the vehicle's exterior design, incorporating a more mature and sophisticated aesthetic, while the interior benefits from improved materials and the latest iteration of the brand's digital cockpit. Notably, the integration of the IQ.DRIVE system across all trims enhances safety, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and front assist with pedestrian and cyclist detection. These advancements underscore Volkswagen's commitment to providing a well-rounded urban crossover that balances innovation with reliability. From a mechanical perspective, the 2025 T-Cross continues to utilize a 1.0-litre three-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 85 kilowatts of power and 200 Newton-meters of torque. This engine, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivers a commendable balance between efficiency and responsive performance. The vehicle maintains its reputation for practicality, featuring a sliding second-row seat that allows for greater flexibility in cargo and passenger accommodation. Looking toward the future, industry reports suggest that Volkswagen is poised to transition from the internal combustion T-Cross to an all-electric successor, tentatively named the ID.2X, by 2026. This strategic shift aligns with the company's broader electrification agenda, aimed at reducing carbon emissions while expanding its electric vehicle portfolio.